Market research means collecting data about the needs, preferences, and behavior of potential clients. Then you analyze this data. Market research helps you identify who your target market is and what their expectations and needs are. Based on these findings, you can create a marketing strategy that is appealing to that audience in particular. Conducting market research also helps you identify who your competition is. Knowing this helps you get a good idea of reasonable pricing and ideal locations. Factoring this information in helps you gain and retain clients. Here are some ideas on how you can make the entire process more interactive and fun, both for you and the participants. Try setting up a pop-up booth or station near popular local sports and events. Engage with passers-by, offering quick service with a fun incentive like discount coupons for your salon. Leverage the interactive features of social media. Use Instagram polls and stories to ask your followers about their favorite salon experiences, desired services, or beauty trends. Encourage them to share their thoughts and tag friends for a chance to win a free service. You could also host an open house event at your salon. Invite the local community to explore your space, meet your staff, and participate in live demonstrations or mini makeovers. Use the opportunity to collect feedback and preferences directly from attendees. Try creating collaborative mood boards or Pinterest boards where clients and potential clients can contribute their favorite hairstyles, colors, and beauty inspirations. Organize workshops on the latest beauty trends. Invite participants to share their thoughts on emerging styles and treatments. This not only serves as a research platform, but also positions your salon as a trendsetter in the community. Distribute physical or digital service within the local community, emphasizing the importance of their opinions. Include a prize draw or a special discount for survey participants, encouraging more people to contribute. By infusing creativity and engagement into your market research efforts, you not only gather valuable information, but also strengthen the connection between your salon and the community. The more interactive and enjoyable the process, the more likely you are to receive enthusiastic and authentic responses from your audience. Once you have information on your target market, you can use it to better understand them. Here are a few things to look at. The behavior of your target market. This refers to the way clients make purchasing decisions, their brand loyalties, and other similar behaviors. In general, behaviors can include anything that affects a client's decision-making process. Demographics refer to the characteristics of your potential clients. Geographic location, educational background, and income can all impact the way clients respond to your marketing strategy. Even the age and gender of the people you want to draw in can affect which strategies you use. Understanding this will help you create a marketing plan that resonates with the clientele you want to attract. Then you have to factor in the preferences of your target market. What do they like and dislike? What kinds of ambience are they drawn to? Which salon services are most popular with this group? What are their thoughts on pricing? What do they look for in customer service? All these factors play their part in whether or not a potential customer chooses your salon. Client analysis is all about who your potential clients are. Depending on where your salon is, you might get certain types of people coming in, or it might be a mix of different types. You need to include details about who your market is made up of and what they're like. A competitive analysis explains your plan for your salon to dominate the market. Your competitive analysis needs to give a brief explanation of the existing competitors. This can include direct competition, like another salon, or indirect competition. The indirect competition includes any other option for clients to receive the products or services you offer. In this section of your salon business plan, you can bring out the strengths and weaknesses of your competition and explain how your target market views them. Knowing your competition will help you determine what your advantages are. Then you can capitalize on those advantages to attract and keep more customers. Once you can pinpoint your unique strengths, you are better equipped to carve out your place in the market. It will give you a starting point to work from to identify a new way to attract customers. It may also help you find something unique to offer that no one else in the area is offering. This part of your salon business plan lays out all the different services that your salon will offer its customers. You can list a wide range of services from haircuts, styling, coloring, treatments, manicures, pedicures, facials, and many more. Describe each service in detail, including the techniques used, expected results, and pricing structure. Include the selection of salon products like hair care items, skincare products, and beauty accessories that customers can buy in your salon.